So today we're making a hummus, a garlic hummus, because I believe that the hummus at the store is way too expensive, and I am almost sure that they're not using the high quality olive oil, the good tahini, and the organic garlic that I'm using in this one. Hummus is a Middle Eastern dip. It is so easy to make and very quick, and it keeps in the fridge. It's also a great way for a healthy snack. Get some veggies out, dip it in the hummus, and you have a high protein from the garbanzo bean, and yet lots of vegetables with vitamins and nutrients. So 1.5 cup of garbanzo bean, this is a can, then 4 cloves of garlic, and then we have 1/3 cup of tahini, squeeze half a lemon, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 6 tablespoons of the water from the garbanzo bean can, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, and blend it all up until very smooth. And that's it, your dip is ready. I like to put a little garnish, spicy oil on top, some parsley, and a little bit of paprika, and dip some vegetables. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.